This $27,000 mini camper is way more capable than you'd think. What if I told you that for just $27,000, you could own a camper that gives you real freedom on the road without the stress, size, or six-figure price tag of a traditional RV? No massive Class A motorhome, no intimidating size, no complicated systems. Just a compact, smartly designed mini camper. It can take you off the grid, let you sleep comfortably, cook proper meals, and still park where normal cars do. At first glance, it doesn't look impressive. In fact, some people might even underestimate it. It looks small, it looks simple, almost too basic to be taken seriously. But the moment you step inside, and more importantly, the moment you see how this camper actually works in real-world travel, you realize something important. This little camper is far more capable than it looks. Today, we're taking a full, cinematic, honest look at this $27,000 mini camper. We'll break down the exterior design, interior living space, kitchen and sleeping setup, how it performs on the road, the technology you get, and finally, who this camper is truly made for. And by the end of this video, you might seriously start questioning why so many people spend six figures on an RV when something like this exists. Exterior design. From the outside, the design is clean, compact, and purpose-driven. There's nothing flashy here, and that's intentional. This camper isn't trying to impress you with aggressive styling or oversized features. Instead, it focuses on practicality. The compact footprint is one of its biggest advantages. It fits into standard parking spaces, navigates narrow roads with ease, and doesn't attract unwanted attention when you're traveling or stopping overnight. You can park it at grocery stores, city streets, campsites, and even residential areas without standing out like a massive motorhome. The body construction is lightweight but durable, designed to keep costs low while still handling real-world travel conditions. Panels are simple, clean, and easy to maintain. Aerodynamics have clearly been considered, helping improve fuel efficiency and highway stability, something you immediately feel when driving at speed. You'll also notice practical exterior details like accessible storage compartments, a clean layout, and a design that prioritizes function over decoration. This is not a camper built to sit in a showroom. It's built to be driven, parked, and used. Interior and living space. Step inside, and this is where expectations start to shift. For such a compact camper, the interior feels surprisingly well planned. Nothing feels random. Nothing feels wasted. The layout is open, efficient, and intelligently designed to make the most of every inch of space. The main lounge area works as the heart of the camper. During the day, it's a comfortable seating space where you can relax, work, or eat. In the evening, it transforms into a cozy living area without requiring complicated setups. The seating cushions are supportive and practical, built for real use, not just quick showroom impressions. The materials are durable, easy to clean, and chosen for longevity rather than luxury branding. Large windows bring in plenty of natural light, making the space feel brighter and more open than you'd expect from the outside. Ventilation is well thought out, keeping the interior comfortable in different conditions. Storage is everywhere, but cleverly hidden. Under seats, above head level, and in areas most people wouldn't even think to use. This is not luxury in the traditional sense, but it is smart comfort. And for real travel, that matters far more. Kitchen and sleeping setup. The kitchen area is simple, but extremely functional. This is not a decorative kitchen meant only for coffee and snacks. It's designed for actual cooking. You get enough counter space to prepare meals properly, a compact cooktop, and practical storage for utensils, cookware, and food supplies. Everything is positioned for efficiency, so you're not constantly reaching, bending, or struggling in a tight space. For road trips, weekend adventures, or off-grid stays, this kitchen does exactly what it needs to do. The sleeping setup is where this camper really surprises people. The bed conversion is straightforward and well-designed. No awkward climbing, no uncomfortable gaps, no feeling like you're squeezing into a space not meant for sleeping. Once set up, the bed feels stable, supportive, and comfortable enough for proper rest, not just a short nap. For solo travelers or couples, this sleeping arrangement works incredibly well. Again, it's not about luxury, it's about usability and performance and driving experience. On the road, this mini camper feels far closer to a regular vehicle than a traditional RV, and that's a huge advantage. The lightweight construction makes it easy to drive, easy to control, and far less intimidating, especially for first-time camper owners. Acceleration feels smooth, steering is predictable, and visibility is excellent. You don't feel like you're fighting the vehicle. On highways, it remains stable and confident, even at cruising speeds. Long drives feel relaxed rather than exhausting. Fuel efficiency is another major win here. Compared to larger motorhomes, this camper consumes far less fuel, allowing you to travel longer distances without constantly worrying about fuel stops or costs. In cities, it's easy to maneuver, easy to park, and easy to live with on a daily basis. This is a camper you can genuinely use whenever you want, not just on special trips. Technology and smart features. Technology inside this camper is intentionally kept simple, and honestly, that's a good thing. You get essential power management, lighting controls, charging ports, and basic systems that are easy to understand and easy to maintain. There are no overcomplicated touchscreens, no confusing menus, no unnecessary digital gimmicks. Everything is designed to work reliably, especially for travelers who want freedom, not technical problems in the middle of nowhere. This camper focuses on practical technology that supports your journey rather than distracting from it. Pros and cons. Let's be honest and balanced. Pros: very affordable price, easy to drive and park, smart, functional interior layout, low fuel and maintenance costs, ideal for beginners, solo travelers, and couples, perfect for short trips and off-grid adventures. Cons: limited interior space, no luxury finishes, not designed for large families, not intended for full-time, long-term living. But at this price point, these compromises make complete sense. So, is this $27,000 mini camper worth it? If you're looking for maximum luxury and space, probably not. But if you want freedom, simplicity, and real-world usability without spending a fortune, this camper absolutely delivers. It proves that adventure doesn't need to be expensive, and sometimes smaller really is smarter. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and tell me, would you choose a compact camper like this over a massive motorhome? And if you love honest, cinematic RV content like this, don't forget to subscribe. More in-depth tours and reviews are coming very soon.